This is The Wolf, and you're listening to Indie Country Radio right here on Spreaker.com with Danny Allen and She Forgets.
She wakes up to make the morning coffee, looks around the house, and sometimes she feels lost. The kids are growing up, she feels so lonely. But when it comes to love, she don't count the cost. And although she's the reason that I'm living, and she has been since the moment that we met, sometimes she forgets that I want her and I need her, gotta have her lying right next to me. And if I lost her, I would lose it. I'd be begging, begging on my knees. She means everything to me. Sometimes she forgets. She's got everything a man could ever want. Make a poor man rich and a rich man lose it all. She's a cold drink of water in the summer sun. She's a river running right through my soul. When things get crazy, I thank God that she's my wife. She's got a way of making all the things in this old world seem right. She forgets that I want her and I need her, gotta have her lying right next to me. And if I lost her, I would lose it. I'd be begging, begging on my knees. She means everything to me. Sometimes she forgets. That I want her and I need her, gotta have her lying right next to me. And if I lost her, I would lose it. I'd be begging, begging on my knees. She means everything to me. Sometimes she forgets. She forgets. She forgets.
See where I'm going. I wanna see my brother all grown up. Find the book I wrote in when I was 12 and life seemed tough. Find the girl that I become and see if I still know her. But I don't wanna get older. wanna see my brother all grown up.
The wonderful, talented Tori Wilson right there, and her song Older. Boy, that takes me back. All right. Well, we hope you enjoyed these 2-song tests. I just wanted to make sure that this was going to work out for me. So thank you for listening, and we will see you on Sunday morning from 10 to 11 with Wolf Traxx and Behind the Music. Thanks again.